What if I told you that one small decision today could quietly make you rich, without you working harder, without starting a business, without winning the lottery? What if the difference between financial stress and financial freedom isn't how much you earn, but how long your money is allowed to grow? Most people don't struggle because they don't make enough money. They struggle because they don't understand compound interest. Today, I'm going to explain the power of compound interest simply, step by step, in a way anyone can understand, even if you've never invested before. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Einstein allegedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, why time matters more than talent, and how ordinary people quietly build wealth while others stay stuck. If you're ready to change the way you think about money, let's begin. Before we dive in, welcome to InvesYou, the channel where we simplify money, investing, and wealth building so you can take control of your future. If you want more videos like this, explained clearly without hype, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you how even $100 a month can change your financial future. Let's start simple. Compound interest is interest earning interest. Most people understand simple interest. You earn interest only on your original money. But compound interest works differently. You earn interest on your original money, plus all the interest you've already earned. That means your money doesn't grow in a straight line. It grows exponentially. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. At first, it's small. It barely looks like anything is happening. But as it rolls, it picks up more snow. Then more snow, and eventually it becomes massive. That's compound interest. Let's say you invest $1,000 at a 10% annual return. After 1 year, you have $1,100. After 2 years, you don't earn interest on $1,000 anymore. You earn interest on $1,100. After 10 years, your money doesn't double. It grows far beyond that. After 30 years, that original $1,000 becomes over $17,000. And here's the key. Most of that growth happens in the later years, not the beginning. This is why compound interest rewards patience, not perfection. Here's something most people get wrong. They say, I'll invest when I make more money. But wealth isn't built by how much you invest. It's built by how long you invest. Let me show you. Person A starts investing at 20 years old. They invest $200 a month until age 30, then stop forever. Person B starts investing at 30 years old. They invest $200 a month until age 60. Person B invests 3 times more money overall. But guess what? Person A ends up with more wealth, simply because their money had more time to compound. Time beats effort. Time beats income. Time beats timing the market. One of the biggest reasons people quit investing is because compounding is boring at first. In the early years, growth feels slow. Results look unimpressive. Progress feels invisible. This is called the compounding delay. Most people give up right before the curve bends upward. The wealthy understand something others don't. You don't see compounding working until it suddenly does. That's why consistency matters more than motivation. Saving money is important, but saving alone won't make you wealthy. Why? Because inflation quietly eats your savings. If inflation is 3% and your savings earn 1%, you're actually losing purchasing power. Compound interest allows your money to outpace inflation grow while you sleep, work even when you don't. This is why investing, not just saving, is essential. The wealthy don't rely on income alone. They rely on compounding investments, long-term assets, reinvested returns. They don't pull money out early. They let it grow. The secret isn't access, it's discipline. Anyone can do this, but not everyone is willing to wait. Every time you cash out early, skip contributions, panic sell, you reset the compounding clock. Compound interest punishes impatience just as much as it rewards patience. The biggest enemy of wealth isn't risk, it's interruption. Let's talk about reality. Not everyone has thousands to invest, but $100 a month invested consistently at a modest return over 30-40 years can grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's not magic, that's math. Small amounts, long time, consistent action. Myth 1. You need to be rich to invest. Myth 2. It's too late to start. Myth 3. Investing is risky. The real risk is doing nothing. Compound interest doesn't require brilliance, just commitment. Compound interest is not just a financial concept, it's a mindset. It rewards patience, consistency, long-term thinking. The earlier you start, the less you have to sacrifice later. If this video helped you understand money more clearly, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. At InvesYou, our mission is simple. Help you make smarter money decisions, without confusion, fear, or hype. Comment below, "I'm starting today," if you're ready to let time work for you. And remember, your future wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one decision at a time. Follow InvesYou for more simple, powerful investing lessons. Before we dive in, welcome to InvesYou, the channel where we simplify money, investing, and wealth building so you can take control of your future. If you want more videos like this, explained clearly, without hype, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications.